Here it comes.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for what the fuck is that? What is that mixed with bat nigga? What the fuck is look at the feet on that motherfucker. Damn. And he looked like he's confused and shit. Somebody must have asked what kind of dog he was. Blah 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 blah. What the fuck? Damn, that looks like my Aunt Brenda, man. Rest in peace, ain't it? But damn. What the fuck is that? What is this? Pabst? Oh, man. That nigga from Britain. The Toothy 4-year-old boxer. Fuck a Toothy. That nigga look like an upside down vampire. Julia. No. God damn. Oh, man. Did this nigga have a fight with somebody at the damn Chinese restaurant? Fuck. What the? This dog dead. This thing look like it's mixed with Chihuahua and raccoon. What the fuck is that? Damn. What the fuck is that? Oh, shit. Oh, man. Did he just escape some grease, nigga? What the fuck is that? Man, what are people doing to these damn dogs and calling them pets? Trying to make sure nobody else steal it. If that thing come up missing, they liable to put that motherfucker in a circus. God damn, that's an ugly dog named Archie. Archie the Mutt. What the fuck is that? Damn. You'll never find blam 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 my hairline like wine blam 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 blam. What the hell? What the hell happened to his eyes? Damn. This damn dog been drinking? Oh, man. Is it just me or is that right ear a little fucked off? Man, what are they mixing these damn dogs with? Ugly and uglier. Say it with me. Ugly and ugly. Recap. Bat. Of vampire. Of what the fuck? Coon. And alcoholic. Drink more than me.